The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach S680 is the pinnacle of luxury, craftsmanship, and cutting-edge technology. As the newest addition to the iconic Maybach lineup, this flagship sedan redefines what it means to ride in absolute comfort and style. Starting with the exterior, the S680 immediately captures attention with its elongated silhouette, signature chrome grille, and the iconic Maybach emblem. LED headlights and the sleek aerodynamic lines give it a commanding presence, signaling both elegance and power even at a standstill. Inside, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach S680 is a sanctuary of sophistication. Passengers are greeted with hand-stitched leather, real wood trims, and state-of-the-art ambient lighting that sets the mood for any journey. Rear occupants enjoy executive-class seating with full reclining functionality, massage features, and a luxury entertainment system with dual high-definition screens. Every detail has been meticulously crafted, from the climate-controlled cup holders to the advanced air purification system, ensuring the cabin is not just comfortable, but an experience in itself. Under the hood, the S680 houses a powerful 6.0-liter V12 biturbo engine paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, delivering effortless acceleration and smooth highway cruising. The ride is further enhanced by the e-active body control suspension, which scans the road ahead and adjusts each wheel individually for unparalleled ride quality. Noise, vibration, and harshness are virtually eliminated, giving passengers the sensation of floating on air. Technology takes center stage with the latest MBUX infotainment system, featuring a massive OLED display, gesture controls, voice activation, and advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and semi-autonomous driving capabilities. Safety and convenience are paramount, making the S680 not only luxurious but intelligently equipped for modern driving demands. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach S680 is available starting at approximately $210,000 in the United States, with customization options allowing buyers to tailor nearly every aspect of the vehicle, from interior materials and colors to exclusive exterior paint options. It's a statement car, designed for those who demand both performance and prestige in a single package. Whether you're chauffeuring clients, attending an exclusive event, or simply enjoying a serene drive, the Mercedes-Maybach S680 promises an experience unlike any other. In 2026, luxury is no longer just about comfort, it's about commanding presence, cutting-edge technology, and a driving experience that redefines what a luxury sedan can be. The Mercedes-Maybach S680 is more than a car, it's a lifestyle, and it sets the benchmark for opulence in the automotive world.